So, what's up everyone? This is the Litbot you are now hearing, and I'd like to welcome you to Litverse AI. The company's vision is to revolutionize the world of gaming by fusing the power of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. Last month, Brian Lewis, the founder and lead engineer, released the Firebirds token, a token symbolic of the fiery and expansive power of the fusion of these two emerging technologies. This month, we reveal the new game called Solana Guess to the masses. Solana Guess on the surface is a simple word guessing game inspired by the viral game called Wordle. However, beneath the surface, Solana Guess is powered by its own Solana program and offers winners a 95% share of the game pot that all players must contribute to in order to play the game. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Why does this need to exist exactly? Linked with this entry is the business plan written by Brian, where he delves into the current product, future products, financials, and the current state of the Web3 gaming industry. But to put it plainly, this product solves a problem facing Web3 gaming currently across all blockchains, and that is the lack of viral consumer gaming experiences, especially those that combine blockchain with large language models. The viral potentiality and profitability of Solana Guess isn't speculation. It's a certainty if the project receives the proper amount of funding, exposure, and help in order to get over the hump. As it currently exists on devnet, Solana Guess is 85% complete with only two main instructions that still need to be implemented. There will also need to be a leaderboard, theme selector, and social sharing option added before launching onto mainnet. So, enough talking from me. Let me show you what Litverse AI and Solana Guess can do right now. This is the main view where you land upon going to the website. First, connect your wallet and make sure you are on devnet. Check out the settings modal to the right where you will see some of the options yet to be implemented, such as the theme selector. You can choose which AI model you want to use right now if you want. Once you close the setting modal, you will find a couple of promo videos on the homepage detailing some of the lore behind the Firebirds token, the ability to buy the token using Jupiter and a burn tracker. Above, you will see two buttons. If you have not created a player profile yet, you will see the option to do so. Again, this is on devnet. So you will need a small amount of SOL to approve the transactions. Once you create a profile, you will be able to play Solana Guess. Upon clicking the button on the left, you will see another instruction approval to join the game itself. Upon approving this transaction, you will be auto-directed to the chat view. Solana Guess went through several designs and redesigns and could yet go through more. Brian decided to build a queue system to handle traffic as a way of future-proofing features that will be added down the road. At the moment, you can only click the button to play the game. You will then be shown a deposit modal to deposit devnet SOL into the game treasury account. There will be bugs as the product is not yet production ready, issues with observability and the like. But the way the game works is like this. All players deposit a minimum of 0.1 SOL. You will then unlock the prompt at the bottom, giving you access to the OpenAI LLM that you can chat with. You can ask it a simple question like, "Tell me about the secret word I have to guess." And it'll give you hints, ideally without telling you. The secret word is auto-generated every time a player correctly guesses what the word is, and enters that word into a word guess box that will verify the word that is encrypted on-chain. If you are correct, you win, and however much SOL was deposited, you will receive 95% of it, with the rest going to a dedicated team vault to use for daily operations. The word guess box is still in development, so that hasn't been added in this demo. What also isn't added is the token counter, which players will need to use the LLM. There will also be game statistics tracked in the header at the top, such as the total number of players, the current game, and more. This is why Litverse AI receiving funding is so critically important, because ideally, all players will receive a small amount of free tokens simply to play one or two games before having to commit funds in the form of a membership or token tracking system where you use USDC to buy API tokens to use the model itself. This is standard across the industry amongst other AI companies, and it should be with Litverse AI as well. And that is pretty much it. Like I said, it's a simple game, but a game that is very real and is not vaporware. Funding from this hackathon will help launch what will be the first viral Solana game that could generate millions of dollars for both the company and the collective of players. Our goal is 10,000 daily active players by next year, and we believe that to be a conservative number, given the virality of games such as Wordle, which has had millions of daily active players. Litverse AI is the closest thing to a slam dunk in this hackathon. So let me talk briefly about the future. Solana Guess is just the beginning. The goals of this company extend far beyond a word-guessing game. There is a planned top-down, turn-based strategy RPG that will be funded based off of the success of Solana Guess 1 and its sequel, Solana Guess 2. It will incorporate AI that players will be able to interact with within the game world. It will be built for the Solana blockchain and only the Solana blockchain. There will also be a Sora-based AI short film released before that, which will tie into the lore for both Solana Guess and the future strategy game. In conclusion, there is no better way to promote the power of Solana by helping Litverse AI become the company it is meant to be with a product close to completion. Brian just needs your help to get over the hump. There is a token. There is a clear vision. There are multiple planned consumer products that will bring millions of dollars of value to the Solana ecosystem. That is why Litverse AI exists. It exists because it must, and with your help, it'll become one of the hottest projects in all of crypto.